Welcome back. We are moving on to step 3 of the QRIS process, which is completing the registration questionnaire. The only providers who need to complete the registration questionnaire are those wishing to move to a star 2 or higher, or those providers who would rather do their orientation in person. So you've been connected to your site and you've completed orientation, or you're wanting to do orientation in person. Or you want to just go ahead and put your registration form in to apply for a star 2 or higher. All right, so we are here on the locations page. You will have a bar underneath your location that says QRIS Registration Questionnaire. Your button will say Get Started. If you've already submitted it, you can always go back and review. You'll go through a series of questions here. This question, have you been through the QRIS assessment process in the past? This is not if you opted in to be star 1 under the new program with DHR. This question should be answered yes, only if you were assessed for QRIS in the past and you were previously star rated before the program had been reconstructed. So I had not, so I'm going to click no. Were you a part of the QRIS assessment pilot in the fall of 2021? If you were part of the original pilot 5 years ago, this is not for you. We only had a handful of sites, so you would only answer yes if you were one of those sites. Please confirm the county in which your provider is, your licensee name, and you'll go through and fill out this information. What ages does the home provider serve? If you're a home provider, you would select all that you provide for. Same for center. What you're licensed for, your licensing capacity, how many are currently enrolled. Are you interested in participating in enhancement or an assessment? This does not mean that you are choosing enhancement or assessment right now. This is just giving us an idea. So you can always come back and change this. Enhancement is 6 months with technical assistance. That means one of our specialists works with you for 6 months. We are currently piloting the enhancement, so some of the criteria and items for enhancement may be changed after we complete our first enhancement. Assessment is where our specialists come out. They don't provide any kind of coaching, but they go ahead and go through the best practice rubric and evaluate class, which is your teacher-child interactions. And then at the end of the assessment, you'll be given a star rating. All right. If you do not want to be or complete your orientation online, if you'd rather have orientation in person, you would select in person here and then choose your closest QEA. If you want to come back after you've completed your orientation at your QEA, you can upload it here. But we will contact you when we have those dates, but we just need that information so that we can contact you and then you submit. So at